Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video, we are going to take up another very interesting question from algebra. Here we have one quadratic known x square plus 8x plus 32 equal to 0. Alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation. Then we have to evaluate expression alpha power 15 plus beta power 15. Because of we have quadratic equation, we will find out alpha and beta first. So for this I will use quadratic formula. X will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. As per our quadratic equation, we can write the value of a, b and c. A is coefficient of x square, so 1. B is coefficient of x, so 8. C is constant, so 32. Now we will calculate x equal to minus 8 plus minus square root of 8 square minus 4 times 1 times 32 over 2 times 1, which will give us minus 8 plus minus square root of 64 minus 128 over 2 times 1 is 2. This will be equal to minus 8 plus minus square root of negative 64 over 2. Now we will write x equal to minus 8 plus minus square root of minus 64. We'll write square root of minus 1 times square root of 64 over 2. Now we know that square root of minus 1 is I, complex number I. So I can write minus 8 plus minus square root 64 is 8. So we will write 8i divided by 2. So x we will get minus 4 plus minus 4i. Now I will consider alpha and beta. Alpha is minus 4 minus 4i and beta I am considering minus 4 plus 4i. Now I will take minus 4 common from both the roots alpha and beta. So I will get in the bracket 1 plus 4i. And here I will write 1 minus I. 4 is common, so minus 4 times 1 plus I is alpha, minus 4 times 1 minus I is beta. Now I will solve. We have to find out this expression. I will solve in two ways. So let me write here method 1. So expression E will be equal to alpha power 15 plus beta power 15. Let's say this is E. Let's put the value of alpha and beta. E will be equal to minus 4 1 plus I whole power 15 plus minus 4 1 minus I whole power 15. So I can write here minus 4 power 15 overall common. In the bracket I can write 1 plus I whole power 15 plus 1 minus I whole power 15. Now we can represent this complex number in polar form. In spite of using that polar form method, I will write here minus 4 whole power 15 and then I will write this is root 2 whole power 15. So we have to divide by root 2 whole power 15. So I will divide by root 2 only as we have power 15 I over root 2 and then we will put power 15. Here also we'll write root 2 whole power 15, and then in the bracket we will write 1 over root 2 minus I over root 2 whole power is 15. Bracket closed. Now I can take root 2 power 15 overall common. So I can write here minus 4 power 15 times root 2 power 15. In the bracket we'll write 1 over root 2 as cos pi by 4. This is root 2 over 2 or 1 over root 2 plus I sin pi over 4, and then we'll put power 15 plus cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4. Then we will put whole power 15. Now we will use demoivre's theorem. So I can write here minus 4 whole power 15 times root 2 whole power 15 times, here we will apply demoivre's theorem, so we can multiply the exponent 15 in the phase of cos and sine. So I can write directly cos 15 pi over 4 plus I sin 15 pi over 4 plus cos 15 pi over 4 minus I sin 15 pi over 4. Now these two terms we can cancel out. So it is coming out. I will write minus 4 whole power 15 as minus 1 whole power 15, and then we'll write 4 power 15. Then we have root 2 power 15. Then we are getting here 2 times cos 15 pi over 4. Now minus 1 raised to odd power will give us minus. So I can write minus 4 power 15 times root 2 whole power 15. Here I will write 2 times cos 15 pi over 4. We can write cos 4 pi minus pi over 4. So cos 4 pi minus theta is cos theta. Here I will write 2 times cos pi over 4, and cos pi over 4 is 1 over root 2. So here I can write 2 times 1 over root 2. So let me write here finally minus 4 power 15 times root 2 power 15 times 2 times 1 over root. Now I can cancel 2 and root 2 from here. So I will be writing here root. So it is converting into minus 4 power 15 and then root 2 power 15 times root. I will write root 2 power 16. Let me write here minus 4 power 15 times root 2 power 16. This is equal to required expression E. Here it is. Now we have to multiply these two. So root 2 power 16, we will write minus 4 power 15 times 2 power half. So I can write here 16 over 2, which will give us minus of. Here 4 can be written as 2 square and then whole power 15. This is 4 power 15 times 2 power 8. So I will write minus of 2 power 30 times 2 power 8. So we will write our final answer minus of 2 power 30 plus 8 will be equal to minus of 2 power 38. This is our final answer. Now I will use method number 2. And this method I will utilize the algebraic manipulation step. I will write first the expression E, which was minus 4 power 15. In the bracket, we will write 1 plus I whole power 15 plus 1 minus I whole power 15. Let me write here once. Now I can write E will be equal to minus 4 whole power 15, and here 1 plus I raised to the power 15, which is odd. I want to make this power even. I will write here 1 plus I whole power 16. So I have to divide by the same bracket 1 plus I. Similarly here I will write 1 minus I whole power 16, and then I have to divide by 1 minus I. In next step, we will write minus 4 whole power 15 times 1 plus I whole power 16 will be written as 1 plus I whole square and then whole power 8. Denominator is 1 plus I. Here we will be writing 1 minus I whole square and then we will put power 8. Denominator will be 1 minus I. Now we will use a plus b whole square formula for our numerators. Here we will apply 1 plus I whole square, 1 minus I whole square. So I will write here minus 4 whole power 15. Then I will write 1 plus I square plus 2I. And then we will put power 8 divided by 1 plus I plus 1 plus I square minus 2I. Then we will write exponent as 8. In denominator we have to write 1 minus I. Now I square is negative 1. So this 1 and I square will be over. 1 and I square will be over. So it is in the bracket, we will write minus 4 whole power 15 as it is. Then here I will be writing 2I whole power 8 over 1 plus I plus in bracket minus 2I whole power 8 over 1 minus I. Let me write here minus 4 power 15. Here I will write 2I whole power 8 over 1 plus I plus minus 2I whole power 8 over 1 minus I. Now I can take 2 power 8 common from here. So I will write minus 4 whole power 15 times 2 power 8. And I power 8 would be, let me write here, I power 8 can be written as I square whole power 4 over 1 plus I plus I power 8 would be I square whole power 4 over 1 minus I. Minus 1 raised to the even power is 1. So I square is minus 1 raised to the even power is again, we'll write 1 minus 4 whole power 15 times 2 power 8. Here I will write 1 over 1 plus I plus 1 over 1 minus I. Now we will take LCM. Here I will write minus 1 power 15. 4 power 15 is 2 power 30. Then we have 2 power 8. And once I will take LCM, I will write 1 minus I plus 1 plus I over 1 minus I square. So plus and minus I will be cancelled out, and denominator will be 1 plus 1. Numerator is 2. So I can write minus 1 with odd power will be minus 2 power 38. And here I will write 2 over 1 minus of minus 1, which will give us minus of 2 power 38. Here I will write 2 over 2. So these two 2's will be over. We will get our answer minus 2 power 38. Or we can write minus of 2 power 38. This is our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.